Hello guys, my name is Julian and today I'll show you how to save different numbers with different ringtones. So we'll use this one for as an example and I'll save it. Now you can't save this contact to your SIM card because it doesn't have the option for this. So we have to save it to your phone or to your Google account. So I'm going to use my phone to save this number and I'll type in the name and then I'll go to the bottom of the screen. There's an option for ringtone. Click on that and then pick your ringtone. You can choose to pick any of these, so if you want to pick from your phone, you go to more ringtones and select your music list. So for this I'm going to be using this song. Click on OK again and save the number. Now we are going to try this and see how it turns out. So you can also see how this actually works, and you can save for as many numbers as you want. It's not going to play different ringtones for the number I specified for. So I found that this doesn't, you can't save ringtones if you're using Android version 4.2 and downwards. So no kind of phone you're using, and if it's going to. So I'm going to show you how to save a number with a particular ringtone when the number is already saved on your phone. So I have this number here. I'm going to long press it. Then click on the edit function. It's already saved on my phone, so I can do it. Now scroll downwards to the ringtone, click on it, and choose my media storage, and then just once. And this is a list of ringtones on your phone, so I'll pick any one I like, and then let's try this. Then click on OK. So that's how, and then I save. So when this number calls me, that ringtone is going to play. But that's how you do it for a contact that's already saved on your phone. Thank you guys for watching.